What's up guys, it's Carrie with oralhealthcoaching.com and today I'm going to talk about a power duo, the Mouthmate and the Burst. Let's get started. What's up guys, it's Carrie with oralhealthcoaching.com and Ibbetson.com. For those of you who don't know who I am, I'm a dental hygienist by trade and oral health coach by passion, and I make online videos that help you get better results with your mouth or a mouth that you care for. And today I want to talk about this two-handed or two-handle technique of brushing. A lot of people are interested in using electric toothbrushes, but they talk about the tickliness or their mouth gets really tight, and sometimes they're not able to get the full effect of cleaning because of the stimulation that they feel when they first start using electric toothbrushes. Now, the good news is it's only going to last for a couple weeks if you have really sensitive areas. The bad news is you got to kind of work through it, and things like the Mouthmate can make it really easy for you to get into your mouth and move that cheek tissue back or move your tongue back so that you can get into the nooks and crannies so that a brush like the Burst can do its job. And if you just get in there and let the toothbrush do the work, you'll find that it makes it much easier for the brush to be able to do its job. So there you have it. That's how the Mouthmate can really help an electric toothbrush get into those nooks and crannies to make sure that you're getting the results that you'd hope for with the efforts that you put in. There are links below that are gonna get you to the products that you need. There are multiple styles of the Mouthmate. Most people, if they are adults or teenagers, that hybrid size is great for them. If they're small kids, that round oval small one is a great one for them. And if you happen to want one of the ones that are specifically designed for the healing of an implant, that one's on there as well. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the comment section below. Let me know what I can do to help you. And as always, thank you for being here, and we'll see you soon. Bye.